Hello everyone, happy Saturday. It's Stamp Ventures with Shauna and I'm here with my coffee break stamping for Saturday, June 20th. They say it's the first day of summer out there. Well, right now we're like 11 degrees here in Moose Jaw, so it's still kind of feeling like spring today. I'm hoping things are going to improve as the weekend goes by here. We want to get outside in the yard and celebrate Father's Day tomorrow with family. So yeah, if the weather could perk up just a little bit, that would be awesome. So I'm a few minutes late getting started here because actually I did something I haven't done in a long time. I got up in sort of decent time this morning and I went out to the farmer's market and picked up a couple things there. Again, getting ready for a Father's Day gathering tomorrow. So I got some potatoes from the Hutterite vendor, and then there was a gal selling, I think it was like Malaysian Thai or Malaysian food, something like that. And I got some interesting things from her to taste. So that should be, yeah, kind of an interesting tasting adventure. Hi Robin, thanks for hopping on this morning. Hope things are going well with your morning there. Hello Elaine, good morning. Just getting started here. Yeah, got my coffee, have had a few sips. So today for my coffee break stamping, I'm going to be sharing a super easy card for you that is one of the cards from the Sending Sunshine paper pumpkin box. My paper pumpkin boxes just came like 2 days ago, and on my, whoops, there goes the ink spot. On my coffee break day, stamping day, I try to share something that's easy and an idea for something that you might be able to do with things that are hanging around the house. And so this is definitely an easy card. You'll see how quick it is to put the cards from kits together like this. And instead of being orange this month, we have wonderful yellow paper and a wonderful yellow box that, yeah, the delivery people kind of scrunched. But I'm going to be filling, as our CEO of Stampin' Up! Suggested, I'm going to be filling this box with yellow goodies and giving it to some kids that I know that might be kind of having a hard time right now. And so my suggestion for you today is if you happen to have extra little boxes hanging around the house. So, I mean, this is a really nice size box, and if anybody ever needs like a box this size, I might have the odd one or two hanging around. They usually are orange and sometimes they're other colors depending on the theme. But if you've got other kinds of boxes like shoe boxes, you can decorate those up and fill them with some goodies. And I love the idea of a color theme. Now, this one is yellow, and yellow is a really bright and cheery color, so that makes kind of sense to fill it with yellow stuff and the sunshine color. But you could do a pink theme for a little girl, or a blue theme or a green theme, like green for nature. And I know we've done green for my brother-in-law. That was a lot of fun. That was a year that, well, that's a year that we had a football season and the Riders were going into the playoffs. So we filled it with all kinds of goodies that were green, or the packaging was green. Not actually the food themselves were always green, but you know, like dill pickle chips and things like that. And so then he had a great munchie box for watching his favorite football team during the playoffs. So if you happen to enjoy the idea of this box, I did order 2 extras, and you can contact me about getting one if you're interested. Hello to Susan. Great to see you. Wow, you've caught me again here this week. That's amazing. I'm not sure what time it will be for you, but here we're just past 10:30 in the morning. So this is the booklet with the instructions. I didn't read the instructions. I went to pumpkinhowto.com and just watched the video. That's what I really like, that every month Stampin' Up! Has a video to go with their paper pumpkin kits. So then you can be doing, get the instructions the lazy way. And here is the stamp set. A little something to brighten your day. And then there's sending sunshine and you are loved, hello and smile. And then a sun and some lines here. And actually these are two I'll be using on the card today. And then here's the package of all the goodies that came in with it. I love the adhesive back sequins because they are like iridescent, and I don't know how much that iridescent shows up for you, but they're very pretty. And then some mini dimensionals. I haven't taken this fully out, but like I said, I did watch the video, so hopefully I'll know what I'm doing. Good piece of cardboard for, you know, if you have to mail something and you don't want it to be bent, I hang on to these pieces of cardboard too. I make use of just about everything. Love the envelopes with this kit. They're shiny and embossed with gold. I think they're all kind of that gold embossed edge there. Yeah, so right off the top, I'm like, yep, that's definitely sunshiny. These are some pieces to cut out. And I think I need, actually there's adhesive backed ones, I believe. Sticky backed? Yeah, they peel and stick, so that's handy. And then there's card bases. This is for the one they showed that has the pineapple on it. And, ooh, yeah, here's the things that you can punch out. So here's this pineapple here. There's a card with the bright lemons. And then this, I like the bright sunshine one too. This sticker is really cool because what you can do is you peel it off and then you cover it up where it says paper pumpkin. And then you can, yeah, that'll just get glued onto there, and then you can address the box to whoever you would like it to go to and fill it with goodies and sunshine. Okay, so, I'm gonna need one of these pieces here. This is kind of like one of the punches that we have in our annual catalog. So, Robin, yeah, the videos are, they're super handy. Like every month when a new box comes out, they have a video that goes with it. And then of course, all the demonstrators get a hold of, not all the demonstrators, but lots of the demonstrators, especially the ones that are like, come up with really super cool ideas. They get a hold of all these pieces and they create completely different things than what are suggested here on the pamphlet for the kit, and then they post them like to Pinterest and all that. So yeah, there are probably like a million things that you can do with this. Some more cool paper. Next week when I do my coffee break stamping video, I'm gonna try to, well, I don't know if I'll recreate this paper exactly, but I'm gonna try an experiment, and maybe I'll get kind of a swirly design like this. And actually, this is the card base that I want to use for today's project. So I'll grab that out of there. Yeah, so a few different cards, and then there's some little sticky dots, and those I used to hate these things because they're just, you know, it's way easier to use a tape runner as opposed to these little sticky dots that are covered with a piece of paper. But since Stampin' Up! Has created a take your pick tool, they're not quite as painful to use, but I probably will still just use a tape runner for today. It's just quicker for the video. Okay, so I'm going to grab, I think this card might be I might send this out to my mom and dad because they moved into their apartment this past week, and I thought that it would be nice to send them some sunshine for their new apartment, have a card to put up and whatnot. So okay, so to begin with, I'm going to put the sun on the block, and there was a little itty bitty black ink spot. It just rolled away on the floor on me here. Here it is, this black one. And what I have been doing is I usually have the colors that are from the kit. So I just use my own ink pad, the big one, and I hang on to these little ones, and then I can I can do up like kids kits that some of you saw. I had said I had free kids kits to give away, or I can put it in if I'm donating a door prize draw or something, I can throw in an ink spot like that. So yeah, I just hang on to these for other purposes. So going to ink up my sun, and it seems funny to ink up the sun in black, but the background of this card totally makes up for it. So just put that like right there, and oh, I don't have my chamois close by to clean this, so I'm just gonna squiggle some black off on. Call it good. Yeah, that. There we go. That's the new cleaning term for the day. Squiggle off the black ink on the corner of the paper, and I'll grab this with the lines and ink this up too. And I think if I remember correctly from the video, they kind of had the sunshine above the halfway point of the card and then the lines below the halfway point of the card. And I am wondering if I'm even on the camera right now. Maybe you can't even see what I'm doing here. There we go. Something like that. So that's good. And now I want the word sunshine. Now this is kind of, maybe this is kind of weird, I don't know, but my mom and dad used to have a puppy dog. She was really cute. She's like I guess sort of like a, is it a cock? No, I can't remember what she was. Anyways, you know, a little white poodly something or other. And her name was Sunshine. So this will have several meanings. Yes, I'm sending them sunshine to their new apartment that they moved into, and it'll also make them think of Sunshine the dog. So let's see if I can squeeze that on here. I like how I can see through this, and I might have gone a little bit low to the bottom, but that's okay because I want the word sending, so I made room for sending up at the top. Okay, squiggle off the black ink, get rid of that, and where's the word? Sending. There it is. Okay, so there, yeah, this card used 1, 2, 3, 4 of the stamps out of the 8 of them that are on this little set. Okay, now I better make sure I'm not putting this upside down. Sending, sending, there we go. All right, and I think just pop it sort of in that little empty spot there. Okay, yay! All right, that worked out. So now I can grab one of these sticky backed shapes. Those are handy dandy. And they showed how they just laid that and covered up, well, I don't know, kind of matched it up sort of with the lines. Something like that, just like that. And then the sending sunshine little words. I don't even think I'm going to need my tape runner today. Those are bumped up with some dimensionals. And they put mini dimensionals in with this kit. So I guess that's for when you get to, like, I think there's some, yeah, some cutouts here that are like little leaves. They look big on the printed sheet, but then when you punch them out, they're smaller, and those little mini dimensionals will fit on the back there. And I don't know how much of this is showing up in your screen, but the pineapple and the sun and the lemon and the leaves, they're all embossed, outlined with gold. So that's makes kind of an added shimmery touch to the cards. All right, okay, so I like to load things up with lots of dimensionals. I don't like it to be tippy or saggy in the middle. Okay, oh, I think that one still has its cover on. There we go. All right, so Has everybody had their coffee this morning? Hope you're starting out with a good Saturday. What are you doing for your Father's Day tomorrow? Do you have any special plans for Father's Day? Like I mentioned, we're going to try to get together in our backyard. Is there anything that you and your family are going to be doing? Like, and how are you dealing it with like the COVID? Like, we're going to try to be, you know, outside a lot so that we're not all sharing the same inside breathing space. But I'd love to hear what other people are doing and how they're dealing with the special day. I said, boy, we sure look forward to getting together now, because we haven't been getting together for so long. And yeah, it's kind of, oh, I'm trying to see if they used, okay, I've got my cheat notes here. Is that a little, oh, that actually might be 2. Okay, all right, so I'm always one that like follows the rules, right? So here, I think they've got 2 little sequins down here of these iridescent ones. There we go. Now I'm just checking to see if anybody's said, oh goodness, that's a pretty kit. Oh yeah, it is very nice, Robin. Either at the lake or in our backyard, considering we're all healthy. Yeah, excellent. Oh, the lake, that would be nice to get out there too. Boy, yeah, just a nice change for things. And so, okay, now I'm going to look at the picture again. I think that was all. Yeah, that was it. That they just had a really funky, cool background and a little bit, 2 bits of stamping and some words and some rhinestones. And there we go. Sending sunshine to you in your new apartment is probably what I'll write. So that's the quick card today. And anybody who's interested, I do have 2 extra of the Sending Sunshine kits. And I actually have some other extra paper pumpkin kits too that I will post pictures of later, so you can take a look and see if there's anything that you want to be able to work on for the summer, take out to the lake or have in the trailer, that kind of thing. And Robin's asking, is this the June kit? I missed the very beginning. Yes, this is the June one. It came 2 or 3 days ago. But the one that I've recently posted called Starry Summer Nights or something like that, Starry Summer Nights, and it has the little tea light holders and whatnot, that's July's kit. And you have until July 10th to sign up for that one. I wouldn't wait till July 10th though to sign up. If you really want this, the Starry Summer Nights, I'd order it earlier, because it looks like it's going to be a popular one, and sometimes they have been known on occasion to sell out of paper pumpkin kits. So this was a really popular one too, and this is the first kit that Stampin' Up! Has ever made available to all of the markets in in the world that they sell product in. Like, we're a global company now, and we have an annual catalog in Germany and France and England and Japan and Australia, New Zealand, a lot of different places, but they've never had paper pumpkin kits available there before, and this kit is special, and they're making it available to the global market. So that's really exciting for the demonstrators in the other countries, because they haven't been able to get them up to this point. So yeah, like I said, yeah, I will post those ones, and there's your quick card idea for the day. And like, if you happen to have a spare box of any kind hanging around your house, decorate it up and make it a fun color scheme, or like yellow or whichever other color that means something to you, and have some fun filling it with goodies. That's a great reason to be going to the dollar store and finding some fun things there, and you can brighten someone's day. I'm already thinking about somebody else who I want to brighten their day as well. So have a great Saturday, a good Father's Day tomorrow, and thanks so much for tuning in for today's video. Bye for now.